Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to change icon's shape with X icon changer on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, because we should get the app from the Play Store, and here in the search pool enter the X icon changer. Now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the application, and now here we should select one from the applications, the available one, to change the icon. For example, we can go with the contacts. If you want, we can rename this app. I don't want to do that, so just click OK. Now you can see here the library was different folders with the icons. We can select one from these icons, or also we can use the photo from our device gallery previously taken and downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use the camera app right now to take a picture. For example, I'll go with this icon. Just select it and click on the right upper corner to OK. Now we just should wait a couple of seconds to skip the ads. So click here to X, then just tap to add automatically and click to change next icon. Now just we can do it by the same way, and here we can see our new contacts icon, and we can just see the difference between them. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.